Welcome to Dr. Coffee. This is a showroom. Here you can find full range of commercial use automatic coffee machines. They are F08, F09, F10, F11, F12, M12, mini bar, coffee bar, F2, F3. Here is our recreation area. Let's go and have a look around the workshop. This is parts and components assembly line. We use assembly lines to manufacture coffee machines. After assembly, we'll test every machine by using water, coffee beans, fresh milk. We'll record the test data. When all the data passes our standards, the machine will be sent to the second floor through the conveyor belt. The staff on the second floor will clean the machine. Then, each machine will do a second test. We call it functional test. Dr. Coffee special testing software will test all functions to ensure that the machine is running well. After the test passes, the machine will be packaged.